In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the formatting of dates in Gmail. This seemingly small adjustment can significantly enhance your productivity by tailoring your email interface to suit your personal preferences or regional settings, ensuring you never miss an important date again. All right, let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this adjustment. First, you'll want to open Google and search for how to change the formatting of dates in Gmail. For convenience, you can just use this phrase verbatim in the Google search bar. This search should direct you to a relevant page that provides the guidance needed for customizing your date formats, saving you the hassle of sifting through Google's settings on your own. Once you have accessed this guide, you will typically be directed to navigate through Gmail's settings. Now, here comes the essential part. Navigate to your Gmail inbox, and once there, locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to several customizable settings in Gmail. Click the gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, click See All Settings. Within this comprehensive settings page, you will want to focus your attention on the General tab. This tab houses a variety of settings that control how your emails are displayed and how various elements behave. In the General Settings tab, scroll down slowly to find the section labeled Language. It is important to pause here because this section allows you to choose your display language, and this choice often influences how dates are formatted for you. Choose the language that aligns with your date formatting preference. However, if your language setting is already correct and you still wish to modify your date format, look for additional regional settings or options that might provide more flexibility in formatting. If you find specific settings to modify the date format, go ahead and make your selection. Most often, date formats align with regional language settings, but additional options might be available depending on new updates from Google. After making your choice, carefully scroll to the bottom of the settings page and you'll find a Save Changes button. Clicking this is crucial. It ensures that all adjustments you've made are saved and applied to your Gmail view. With these changes saved, return to your Gmail inbox. You should now see the date format in your emails adjusted according to your preference. Take a moment to check that everything looks correct and as expected. If it does not, retrace your steps to ensure that each selection was made properly. By personalizing how your dates appear in Gmail, you're not just making your inbox look neat. You're also implementing a system that can help streamline your workflow. This adjustment, though subtle, helps bring a layer of customization that suits your needs perfectly. Congratulations on taking control of your Gmail settings. Hopefully, this change will make your daily email interactions a more enjoyable experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you through more helpful tips in our upcoming videos.